Coconut chutney. Ingredients: coconut, कसा हुआ नारियल 1 cup, roasted split gram, चना दाल 2 tablespoons, black lentil, urad dal 1 tablespoon, green chilies, हरी मिर्च 4, tamarind, imli 1 teaspoon, curry leaves, curry patte 10 to 15, mustard seeds, rye 1 teaspoon, fenugreek seeds, methi 4 to 5 grains, dry red chilies, सूखी लाल मिर्च 2 to 3, asafoetida, hing, a pinch, salt as required. Heat oil and fry 1 tablespoon black lentil or urad dal till it changes color. In a grinder jar, take 1 cup grated coconut, 4 green chilies, 2 tablespoons roasted split gram, 1 teaspoon tamarind, 1 tablespoon fried black lentil or urad dal, and salt. Grind to a paste. Transfer to a bowl. For the tempering, heat oil, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, let them splutter. Four to 5 fenugreek seeds, 2 to 3 dry red chilies, 10 to 15 curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida. Fry till the curry leaves become crisp. Pour the tempering on the chutney and mix well. Coconut chutney is ready to be served. Serve with idli, dosa, vada, uttapam or with any South Indian snack. Subscribe to my channel, click the bell, like, share and comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.